there's a term that's used in the alternative data world which is called exhaust data. And so if you look at all the companies, it's just the UK, you look at all the millions of companies that exist, they all have some sort of system. It might be an accounting system or a CRM system. There's always something that's capturing some data. And the data that they produce, they might use to do their accounts, they may use to run their business, but nothing happens with it. It just sits there in that system, they move on, the next year they ignore everything from the previous years. Yeah. Most people do nothing with that exhaust data. It's called exhaust because the idea is like a car, it goes out the exhaust and you forget about it. And it doesn't have any value, what's coming out of your exhaust. But it does actually have value. So exhaust data is where the alternative data segment, it's sort of where it really started, is there's data here that has some value that you don't realize it has value, and it can have really quite significant value that you don't realize about. Not only for your own business, that's where it actually started, was people analysing their own exhaust data for their own business. How can I make my business work better? But actually then they realised that there were other businesses like hedge funds, it's mostly financial services using exhaust data,
is mostly, yes,
who can benefit from this and therefore pay you some money for that data or for the analytics on that data that you didn't even realise was another revenue stream.